Day 7 of running 3 rounds of ranked until I reach banana. I think they fixed it, but if they didn't, then it's whatever. In round 9, there's plenty of people to tag.
Oh my gosh.
Is the serve? There's no way.
Got him. Round 1, here we go. So I just played a little bit of ranked before I made this video, and it actually ranked me up a bit. So I don't know if it's fixed or not, but I guess we'll see
Is the serve?
if I do
There's
good.
no way. Is the serve? There's no way.
No, please don't. Okay. Okay, round 1 is about half the lobby tagged. Walnus. Okay, round 2, here we go. 1 person tagged. 2, the lava monkey just left. Hey, look, lava monkey. This person's got 1 hit and they're already better than me at walls.
There's no way. Is the serve? There's no way.
Okay, that round I ranked up 1. Round 3, here we go.
Is the serve? There's no way.
This guy's living in like Siberia. Round 3, I didn't move. Okay, rank isn't fixed.
Is the serve?
I went
There's
down
no
just
way.
a little, but I don't really care.